We'll guide you through how to transfer files from an iPad to a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to go and do, as perhaps you want to go and have a copy of them on there, or you need to go and work on them on there. We'll guide you through the steps. So to go and do this, you do need to go and get an app. So what we need to do is go and open up the App Store, go to the top and press search and press the search bar. And the app we're going to go and get is called VLC, so go and type it in. Now, this is the one we're using here, VLC Media Player. Go and download it. It is a photo and video player, but don't worry, it's what we need. So you can go and open it up and just go and close it like so. Now, what you want to do is go and find the Files app on your iPad, and we can go and open it up. So what you want to do is you want to come over to the left here, and you can go and press on my iPad. Find the files you want to go and transfer. So in this case, they're in the downloads folder. So I'll tap here, I'll press select in the top right and go and start selecting them like so. With them selected, press this folder icon at the top. And then what you want to do is go and put them into this VLC folder here, and you want to go and press move. Now they're going to be in there. Next, go and head onto your computer. On your computer, we need to get an app as well. So press search at the bottom and go and type in Microsoft Store and open it up. At the top, you then want to go and search for an app called Apple Devices. This will go and allow us to go and connect our iPad to our computer. So here it is here. You want to go and click on it and install it. I already have it. Now you can go and press open, and it's going to go and open up. What we now need to do is go and connect the iPad to our computer. So grab its cable and connect it in at both ends. We can go and press start, and you need to go and plug your iPad in. So you can go and grab its cable, plug it into your computer and iPad. You'll need to go and press trust on the iPad as well as on your computer, as you can see, and enter in the passcode as well. Go to the top left and click on the iPad, and then you want to go down and press files. In here, you should then go and find VLC. Click on it, and here you'll go and find the files that you went and moved from your iPad. Click on the one you want. If it's multiple, hold Control and select them, or if it's all of them, click on the top, hold Shift and click the bottom to select them all. Then you can press save in the bottom right and then choose where you want to go and save them. I'll put them in here, then I'll go and press select folder and they'll be saved there. Leave a like if you found this useful.